What's up, guys? I guess you found the Eat This Grinds and Cocktails YouTube channel, and I welcome you. As I'm sure you can tell by the name, I do a little bit of cooking. I do everything from grilling, smoking, desserts, baking, canning, just about everything. I like to experiment a lot. I like to do a lot of international dishes and a lot of traditional foods with a little bit of a twist to it, try to make it my own. Use a lot of my mom's recipes. I use a lot of my mother-in-law's recipes that have all been handed down. I do a lot of stuff simply just something I think of, and they'll usually blow your mind. I also do cocktails. I also do some virgin cocktails so that we can incorporate the kids into these things. Thank you for coming by. I hope you check out some of the videos. I hope you subscribe. I hope I haven't scared you away and instead made you feel welcome into the Eat This Grinds and Cocktails family. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.